Are you looking for a safer way to cook without worrying about toxic chemicals in your kitchen appliances? You're not alone. Many toaster ovens on the market use coatings like Teflon or PFOA that can break down at high temperatures, and that's not something you want near your food. In this video, we've rounded up 10 of the best non-toxic toaster ovens that skip the harmful coatings and focus on healthier materials like enamel, stainless steel, and ceramic. Stick around to find the safest option for your daily cooking. Now let's get started with number 1 on our list. The Val Cucina Toaster Oven Air Fryer. It comes with a fully enamel-coated interior which is naturally free from PTFE and PFOA. Enamel doesn't break down under heat like synthetic non-stick coatings, so you can roast, bake, and air fry without worrying about toxic fumes. With a generous 26.3 quart capacity and 10 preset functions, it's big enough for a whole chicken or a full batch of cookies. It also features a stylish stainless steel exterior and a double glass door that helps trap heat. If you're looking for a modern toaster oven, Val Cucina is a solid choice. At number 2, we have the Emerald Agassi Toaster Oven Air Fryer. This oven skips the coatings altogether by going with a bare stainless steel interior, no enamel, no PTFE, and no Teflon in sight. The 24 presets and 360-degree convection heating make it incredibly versatile, while the French door design makes it easy to open without losing heat. From air frying to dehydrating, this model does it all with space to spare. It's perfect for big families or anyone who cooks often and wants a non-toxic appliance that can multitask. At number 3, we have the Cuisinart TOB-260N1 convection toaster oven. It features an uncoated stainless steel interior, making it a top pick for those avoiding chemical coatings like Teflon or PTFE. It's equipped with 15 different cooking functions, plus dual cook and speed convection modes for fast and even results. Its 0.95 cubic foot capacity is great for larger meals, and the quality control and durability of Cuisinart products are hard to beat. If you're focused on clean construction and precision cooking, this model deserves a serious look. At number 4, we have the Panasonic FlashExpress toaster oven. It stands out for using a PFAS-free enamel-coated interior. That means zero Teflon, PTFE, or PFOA. It uses infrared heating, so there's no need to preheat. Your meals cook faster while preserving more nutrients. The 26-liter capacity and 11 preset functions give you flexibility, whether you're reheating, baking, or toasting. Plus, its compact design fits neatly into small spaces. For quick, clean cooking in a toxin-free environment, the FlashExpress is a great option. At number 5, we have the Hamilton Beach Countertop Coaster Oven. It has a bare metal interior, no synthetic non-stick coatings here. It keeps things simple and safe for those looking to avoid toxins. One of its standout features is the unique roll-top glass door, which opens upward, giving you easy access to food. With 2 rack positions and bake, broil, and toast functions, it covers essential cooking tasks. While it's not the most advanced oven on this list, it's compact, affordable, and built with materials that won't compromise your health. At number 6, we have the Neretva Retro Convection Toaster Oven. It combines a clean stainless steel interior with enamel-coated PTFE-free accessories. With 10 preset functions, including air fry, roast, toast, dehydrate, pizza, and bake, this compact appliance offers surprising versatility. Its 1300-watt convection power ensures even cooking while reducing the need for excess oil. The intuitive dials and retro design give it a unique charm while remaining functional and modern. If you're after aesthetics and function without harmful coatings, this is a fun and safe addition to any kitchen. At number 7, we have the Cuisinart TOA-65 Digital Toaster Oven. Like other Cuisinart models, the TOA-65 uses a fully stainless steel interior with no chemical coatings. It features 1800 watts of power and a digital display that lets you fine-tune fan speed and temperature for ideal air frying, roasting, or baking. There are no PTFE or PFOA-based materials here, and it's big enough for a 4-pound chicken or a 12-inch pizza. Great for anyone wanting high performance with no compromises on safety. At number 8, we have the Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Toaster Oven. The Ninja SP101 keeps things clean with a stainless steel interior and PFOA PTFE-free ceramic-coated accessories. That includes a non-stick crisping tray made with safe ceramic material. The oven itself features 8 cooking functions and a space-saving flip-up design that's ideal for small kitchens. It cooks faster than most traditional ovens and doesn't sacrifice safety for speed. A great choice for busy cooks who want safe, efficient results. At number 9, we have the Black & Decker Convection Toaster Oven, and features a zinc-coated interior which provides non-stick properties without PTFE or PFOA. Zinc is a safer alternative for those looking to avoid synthetic coatings. This oven includes digital controls, multiple presets, and a large interior that fits 6 slices of toast or a 12-inch pizza. It's affordable, easy to clean, and built for daily use without the chemical risks. Its convection heating system ensures fast, even cooking whether you're baking, toasting, or broiling. Last on our list is the Aido Toaster Oven Combo, which uses a stainless steel interior and includes PTFE-free accessories. It offers 18 cooking functions, everything from rotisserie to dehydration, and features 360-degree convection heating for fast, even cooking. Its extra-large capacity makes it ideal for families, and everything from the trays to the racks is dishwasher-safe and toxin-free. If you want a non-toxic oven that can do everything, this one checks all the boxes. And there you have it, 10 of the best non-toxic toaster ovens. Choosing appliances with safe coatings and interiors isn't just about cooking well, it's about cooking clean and protecting your long-term health. We hope these ovens will fit your budget and your kitchen needs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on safe, smart kitchen gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.